to look at that from the aspect of just getting real, getting down to it, getting real. And whenever before I make any decision, I go to that team that I started talking about. And again, I drill this in my chapter 3 of just really having a trusted team of people that been there, done that.
So talk about, Dean, how when you're approaching this, having the conviction to stick to what the data is telling you, what your instinct is telling you, despite all the noise that's out there.
Well, and sometimes, I hate to say this, but sometimes it's a gut check based on your best mistakes and your best successes, right? So those are life lessons that everybody forgets about, but there's a reason that your gut feels good or your gut feels bad in the middle of a deal. And if it feels bad, walk away, man. There's another deal right around the corner, right? I always tell people that. It's like, no deal is the deal. No deal is the only deal. I mean, unless you're in a protected segment or market where there's only 3 companies you can acquire, you need one of them. So you have to look at that from the aspect of just getting real, getting down to it, getting real. And whenever before I make any decision, I go to that team that I started talking about. And again, I drill this in my chapter 3 of just really having a trusted team of people that been there, done that. And if it's a debt deal, I'll call my top 5 debt guys off my team. If it's an equity deal, I'll call my top 5 equity people off that team. If it's a tax deal, I'll call, Brett Swarts, and a few of my other team members that I know will give me an honest answer, not an opinion, but a skill based answer based on their successes and failures. And then that gives me the comfort level or sniff test. And then my gut takes over and say, all right. And remember, I started as a data guy. I'll always be a data guy based on the facts and the data and the gut check between my team and I. Is this a good move or bad move? Yes or no? And
Absolutely.
get to it as fast as possible.